We have the Fisher-Price Snuggle Puppy Swing. Today, Arvin and I will show you how to assemble the Fisher-Price Snuggle Puppy Swing step by step, and we'll start right now. What is going on? Welcome to this video on how to put together a Snuggle Bunny Swing. We'll start with a quick Snuggle Puppy Swing unboxing to make sure we have all the parts needed. Then we cover how to assemble the Fisher-Price Snuggle Puppy Cradle and Swing. We also have other videos on the review on how to use the Fisher-Price Cradle Swing. If you're interested, I'll put a link here and also in the description below this video. For now, let's do the Snuggle Puppy Swing assembly. Coming up! Let's start with a quick Fisher-Price Snuggle Puppy Swing unboxing to make sure we have all the parts needed. These are the parts in the box. You also need a Phillips screwdriver. Let's start the Fisher-Price Snuggle Puppy Swing assembly by attaching the mirror dome to this part like this. Push the mirror dome to snap into place. In this step, we attach the foot to the end of each lower legs. There are 2 sets of screws for this swing. Grab 4 of the smaller ones for this step. Tighten each screw with a Phillips screwdriver. Repeat this for all of the 4 feet. Now we fit the upper legs onto the lower legs. An important tip here, the upper legs fit the lower legs one way. The leg with this arm thing goes to the lower leg on my left. If it does not seem to fit, try the other upper leg. Grab one of the longer bolts and tighten it like this. By the way, I'm using my tool, but they also put a goofy Allen wrench in the box as well. That should do the job. Repeat this to connect the other leg as well. In this step, we attach the upper piece with the control panel to the leg assembly. There's a push button on the leg assembly. Push it and slide the tube in like this. Make sure the button on the leg snaps into the hole into the tube. Repeat this to connect the other leg as well. Plug the power cord from the top piece into the power cord into the frame assembly. By the way, so far if you liked the video, please like the video. It's very helpful with the YouTube algorithm. For more baby related videos like this, please consider subscribing. Thanks for the support, and let's continue with the video. Now we attach the support arm. Pull apart the assembled legs. Push to snap the support arm in place. Let's assemble the seat by connecting the side tabs on the seat. Grab 4 of the shorter screws and tighten the screws using a Phillips screwdriver. The screws are going to the 4 corners as you see. Fit the lower seat tube into the short tube on the seat back. Grab one of the longer bolts and tighten it like this. Connect the seat to the main assembly like this. Grab one of the longer bolts and tighten it. Take the seat pad. Insert the belt through the slots in the pad. Make sure the belts are not twisted. Fold the top of the pad down. Fit the seat pad edges around the rim of the seat. Take the elastic hooks on top side of the seat pad. Hook them at the pegs at the top of the seat. Put the star-shaped body support pad like this. Get the plastic bar. This will hold the canopy. Fit this into the buttonhole in the canopy sleeves and slide it through the canopy sleeve like this. Lift the top of the canopy and fit it into the clip on the swing tube. You have two options to power the swing. The first is to plug into an outlet. You will save a lot of money on the batteries, and honestly the only trade-off is a little bit of inconvenience as you have to be close to an outlet all the time. Second is to use batteries. Let's briefly see how to install or change the batteries for the Fisher-Price Snuggapuppy swing. Loosen the screws on the battery compartment on top of the swing like this and insert the batteries. You need 4D or LR20 alkaline batteries. The batteries are not included. I put a link to the battery types in the description below the video. It's okay to skip this if you plan to plug the swing into an outlet, and I really recommend that. By the way, make sure to check our other video on the review on how to use this swing. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up and consider subscribing. Thanks a lot for watching and see you next time.